Don't want ChatGPT to hang on to your old chats? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to find and clear your chat history on ChatGPT. Now let's get started. To clear out your chat history with ChatGPT, first open the ChatGPT app. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner. This will open a sidebar menu. At the bottom, you'll see a list of your past chats. Hold down one of these to open a pop-up menu. Then tap Delete. Tap Delete again to confirm that you want to remove the chat. Repeat to remove any other chats you want to delete. That's all it takes to clear your chat history on the ChatGPT app. Want to learn more about ChatGPT? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.